Creating a presentation with AI has usually meant generating a few slides or helping with bits of content. Google is now taking that a step further by letting Gemini build an entire presentation in Google Slides from a single prompt. Once Gemini finishes, every slide is editable, so you can tweak the text, adjust the layout, or make any other changes just as you would with a presentation you created yourself. One of the more useful parts of the update is that Gemini doesn't have to start from scratch. You can attach files from Google Drive to give it the context it needs, whether that's a document, spreadsheet, or other supporting material. If you've already got a presentation that matches your company's branding or preferred design, you can also use that as a style reference. Furthermore, Google has built in a planning step before the presentation is generated. After you enter your prompt, Gemini may ask a few follow-up questions about things like the intended audience, tone, or content. You'll also get the chance to review and edit the presentation outline before the slides are created, which should help avoid having to make major changes later. Another addition is file suggestions. Gemini can recommend relevant files, emails, and chats that you might want to include to enhance your presentation. This perfectly fits Google's personal intelligence push, which aims to give Gemini access to as many of your personal files and data points as possible. For now, the feature supports English only. Google says there are no administrator controls for this rollout, and it has already begun rolling out gradually to both rapid release and scheduled release domains, with an extended rollout starting on June 29, 2026. The feature is available for customers on Business Standard, Business Plus, Enterprise Standard, and Enterprise Plus plans. It's also included with Google AI Pro and Google AI Ultra Consumer plans, Google AI Pro for Education add-on, and the AI Expanded Access add-on. And while Google is reportedly limiting Gemini access to Meta, the company is temporarily increasing the usage limits for its own customers. Workspace customers creating multi-slide presentations with Gemini will enjoy higher limits for a limited time. The higher limits will remain in place until at least August 1, 2026, after which the usual per-user limits will apply. Google says it will share more details about the updated limits in the Help Center before those changes take effect.